Hello everyone, I am Octavia and this is Octavia Beauty. So today is going to be a haul and it's going to be my first household essentials haul, and this haul is going to be from Grove Collaborative. Now if you haven't heard of Grove Collaborative, it's kind of like a monthly subscription but different from like BoxyCharm and Ipsy. You can get household supplies from there, cleaning supplies, and other sorts of stuff, but you can like stop some months, or you can go in and you can pick and choose what you would like to have. So what a lot of people use Grove Collaborative for is to buy a lot of the Mrs. Meyers cleaning supplies, a lot of the scents, the holiday edition scents. They sell out fast in the regular stores, or some people don't have Targets in their area to purchase them. I have a Target in my area, and I did purchase some items from Target, but the items that I already picked from Target I already placed out in the household and we've already been using them. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got in my Grove Collaborative box, what I got in my haul. I got 2 shipments here, and so I just want to show with you guys what I have. So before we get all into that, I want you guys to look down, hit the subscribe button, give your girl a big thumbs up. And so let's get into this haul. So you guys, first thing I want to talk about is the Mrs. Meyers brand. And the Mrs. Meyers brand is a brand that is very like environment friendly. It's made without parabens, and a lot of artificial colors, and it's a plant-derived cleaning ingredients, and it's made with essential oils. It's a very non-harsh, very mild cleansing agency, but it does supposed to get stuff clean, and it's supposed to smell like super amazing. And I haven't used a lot of these, but I do have some that I already said that are already placed out in the home, and I have been using that I did pick up from my local Target. So I was able to get some of the scents from Target. But some of the stuff I have here is from Mrs. Meyers and from Method. And because this is my first this was my first order with Grove Collaborative, I got a lot of things free. And then they also have the Mrs. Meyers, it says it's a limited edition scent, and it's spiced pumpkin scent, and it's supposed to only be at Grove Collaborative. So a lot of the stuff I got for free, I don't know which ones were free and which ones were paid for, so I'm just going to share with you. The first thing I have is the Mrs. Meyers spiced pumpkin scent dish soap. I'm going to smell it because I haven't smelled it. Oh man, it smells really nice. And so I know I got this one for free. These are supposed to be exclusive scents to Grove Collaborative. And then we have the spiced pumpkin scent multi-surface cleaner, the everyday cleaner that you will use to wipe down your counters and to clean up dust. You can use it on multiple surfaces. And so I really thought this was supposed to be a 3-piece set with the hand soap too, but I see they didn't send the hand soap, so I don't know if I need to check my email and see what's that about. And then I also got the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. They sent me a hand soap, but it says it's aromatic therapy. It's a lavender scent hand soap. Next we have the Grove Collaborative Wrinkle Releaser in spray. So I think you just like spray this. It says you shake the bottle on your wrinkle areas of your clothes. Use your hands to pull the fabric and smooth out. Place on a hanger to dry. And it says it's safe on most fabrics. So I've never used this kind of spray before, so this will be interesting to use. And I think I picked up this. It's the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner, and it's in the scent Spearmint. And I've seen a lot of people use this online, so I hope this works really good. It says it kills 99.9% of household germs. Now Method is a good cleaner. I don't know if they use harsh chemicals or not. I would think they would be some type of chemicals in this for this to be antibacterial. So the next thing I have is the Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaners. So here we have luxury vinyl plank is the flooring that we have down. So this is supposed to be what you just squirt on the floor. You don't need water or anything, and you just wipe it up. And I hear that it gets your floors like really clean. This is in the scent Lemon Ginger. I have another one of these in Spearmint that I picked up from Target, but you're supposed to don't need any water or anything, just squirt it on your floors, and it's supposed to get your floors clean. And I heard really good reviews about this online. And then we also have, I think, some more free items. This is a ultra absorbent European dishcloth growth collaborative, and it's 2 in here. So, and then we have, I was really excited about these Walnut Scrubs because they're called Walnut and Cellulose Scrub Sponges, and they are made from ground walnut shells and recycled fibers, and they're plant-based cellulose. And so you can use these to clean with. I want to feel them. I want to see if they feel like a regular sponge. Oh, they smell good. They smell like different. It doesn't feel like a regular sponge. Like this right here is like soft and smooth, and you know, it doesn't feel like a regular sponge. But the Mrs. Meyers brands and Grove Collaborator, they do have a lot of environment friendly products on there. I also got some microfiber all-purpose cleaning cloths. I love the microfiber all cleaning cloths. I haven't used theirs, but I usually have plenty of them around the house because I do use the microfiber cleaning cloths to clean all the time. And then they also sent me this cute little pail, which I thought was going to be a lot bigger. I think this is one of my free items. So this little pail is for when you're cleaning your house and, you know, you're going from place to place, and you could put if you had some room for refresher spray, and you just keep this under your cabinet or wherever you keep your cleaning supplies, and you can just carry it with you, all the stuff that you need, and you won't need to go back and get anything. You just carry everything with you. And I think this was really cute and neat. I thought it was a little bigger. I'm kind of happy it's not, because this is kind of heavy. This is a limited edition fall color. They said that this one was, and it's got this little symbol right here, which I think is cute. It's very, you know, it's not like flashy or anything, but it looks like it'll definitely get the job done. It's not too heavy, so you can carry a pretty good amount of chemicals. Last but not least, I think I got the Grove Collaborator dishwasher detergent packs. It's a 20 pack, and it's 94% bio-based, no chlorine, bleach, dyes, or synthetic fragrances, ultra effective, and leave your dishes sparkling and clean. So after I got that, and I saw that a lot of the holiday seasons was selling out, I purchased another box. So this is a little card that comes with it. And it says, "We're so happy you're here. Peek inside to learn about Grove and how your next order will work." It says, "Look for a reminder for next month. They will email you or text you 3 times before each order with plenty of time to make changes." So they'll put like some stuff in your cart, but if you don't like what they put in your cart, then you can go in and you can change items, you can add items, you can renew, you can take some items out, you can put some new items in. So that gives you the opportunity to go in and customize your cart before they automatically send it to you. So the second thing, it says customize your cart. We suggest products that you might love. You can remove and add exactly what you need. You can explore healthy flavors, and it says we'll suggest a ship date. They'll let you know when you want it sent. And if you like run out of supplies and you don't want to wait until like the next month, or something comes out and you don't want to wait till the next month, you can automatically go ahead and have that sent to you that month instead of waiting. Like this one is my October one, and the next one I'm going to show you guys is really my November one. And I could have got both of these and still got one sent out on November, but I canceled my November. So after this, we'll just get December one. So let me just grab this box real quick. So the first thing I have in this item, this was also a big box because it has a lot of their fall scents and I wanted to try them out and smell them. So I'm going to start out with some of the scents that I had already purchased from Target and have been using. Okay. My camera's shaky. So the first thing that I have is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day, the mom scent, but this is the room refresher spray. And I've been using it, but not the room refresher one. I've been using the multi-purpose spray and I've been spraying it all over and I love this scent. But with the room refresher spray, it's made with the non-aerosol and it's made with essential oils, but you can use this as a Febreze fabric and you could spray this on your couches and your bed. And I'm gonna tell you, this mom scent is I think it is a fall scent, but it's not like a new fall scent. I think they had this last year fall scent, but I love this scent. So, and their products, Mrs. Meyers products smell so amazing. And I also have here the limited edition Mrs. Meyers Acorn Spice. Now with the Acorn Spice, this is the Acorn Spice dish soap. They usually have like a full collection of dish soap, multi-purpose sprays, hand soap, and a room refresher spray. I think is what comes with it. So I actually have this actual dish soap that I got it from Target. And I am using it in my kitchen now and it smells amazing. And my dishes smells good. And I can't smell it through this, but it does smell really, really good. And I'm enjoying that. So I also got the Acorn Spice Scent multi-surface spray. This is the multi-purpose spray that you clean off your counters with every day. You will clean off your kitchen counters, your bathroom counters. You can dust with it. And so this is in the scent Acorn Spice as well. And then I also have the Acorn Spice hand soap, which I think I have this too already out. I put this one in the kitchen, the Acorn Spice hand soap, and I think I've got some Bath and Body Works hand soaps all over in the bathroom. So I'm gonna have to show you guys a Bath and Body Works haul too because I've got so much stuff. So the next fall scent that they have out is the Mrs. Meyers Apple Cider scent. And I actually want to smell the apple cider scent because I haven't smelt it. And I have the apple cider in the multi-surface cleaner spray. I have the hand soap and the apple cider scent. And I also have the dish soap and the apple cider scent. Oh man, that apple cider, it smells so refreshing. It smells like fresh cut apples. It's not like that you know how you get like an artificial smell or something? This smells like so fresh and so clean. Like it smells really, really, really nice, you guys. If you haven't tried the Mrs. Meyers brand, I suggest that you do. Online, Target still had some. But if you can't find anything online Target, you may be able to go to Target, or you can also check out Grove Collaborative. And I also got the Daily Wood Cleaner. And this is in almond. So, and this is from Method. So with the Method, they have a squirt in my almond for the floor. And it's all sold out. I really want that squirt in my almond for the floor. So this right here would be for your woods. Like if you have like your wood tables or wood TV stand, or you know, you could also use this on different surfaces, not just wood. You can use it on your stairs and stuff. So you guys are gonna see why I'm buying such a lot of cleaning products in bulk. You're gonna see that later. But right now, let's just focus on what we got. And I also got these certified composable cleaning wipes from Seedling, and these are by Grove. And these are just some wipes, some cleaning wipes. And I have some Lysol wipes and some Clorox wipes, but I just wanted something more gentle because, you know, we have the puppies. And if, you know, it's just be easier, this is more safe for them. I could just grab this, I can clean up their cage or clean up something with it, and it will be less harsh. They did also give me some free items with this order, but I don't remember what was free. I know this was probably free. This is the Rooted Beauty Rejuvenating Body Wash, and it's in oat milk, and it has with almond, vanilla, and blossom sandalwood. So I know that this was probably free, and it's hypoallergenic, so that makes it even better for me. Oh man, that smells so good. But so far, all of the Mrs. Meyers products that I've tried, I do have some more Method products that I purchased. I haven't used any of the Method products yet. I did get some Method from Target also. I got some stuff from Target, and then I found Grove Collaborative, and then I ordered some more stuff from Grove Collaborative, but I haven't tried any of the Method items. But you can watch reviews on YouTube. People love these products. But all of the Mrs. Meyers I've tried, I absolutely love. They smell great and they work amazing. So my main thing, which you guys know that my channel is mostly makeup, and I've thrown in some hair care and some nursing, but I'm going to try to stick with the makeup and do hair care, and I'm going to try to integrate some other daily life stuff in there. So I'm probably going to be doing some clean with me's and some, you know, just some cleaning motivation videos, showing y'all some different type of hauls, type of stuff that I use around my house that's not makeup related, because if I use great makeup products, then of course a lot of the other stuff that I use in my home is good, and you guys might not know about it, or you might be interested in it. So just comment down below, let me know how you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you for joining me, and I appreciate it. Bye.